Ford just released new incentives on the 2026 Ford F-150s. They just dropped a $2,000 rebate plus special incentives. We're talking anywhere from 2.9 to 5.9%, and these are going anywhere from $45,000 to $75,000 right now. Now, we're located in Prattville, Alabama, and we've delivered over hundreds of vehicles all over the US. The reason why everybody likes shopping with Long Lewis is because we give you the best price up front the first time. We have zero doc fees and we're non-commissioned. No games, no gimmicks, real pricing, no fees. If this is how you want to do business, be sure to shoot me a text. My number's in my bio, and don't forget to follow Sean Sills Deals.